Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to change Etsy password. Okay, so let's open Etsy application on the device and tap profile picture in the top right corner of your screen, and then go to your settings. Now we want to find a line that says want to fine tune your account settings, and visit this link that Etsy application provides me. And now I want to scroll down on the accounts section. I want to scroll down to password and basically want to enter your current password that you have, and finally enter your new password that you want to set up and re-enter it right here in this field. That means confirm your new password. And also here you can see some tips for a strong password, and also you can use this show button in order to see your password to avoid some mistakes. And finally, when everything looks great and you're ready to save some changes, you have to press change password button. And that's how you can change password on Etsy application. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this.